How to invite friends on OneXpert. So let's get started. Now once you're on the dashboard of your OneXpert after you're logged into your account, now navigate to the profile icon from the top right corner. That will take you to your profile page. Here scroll down a bit and under the section that says other, there you will find an option as invite friends. Tap on it. Now here make sure to read all of this information given to you, and once you're done, tap on these terms and conditions, then tap on terms and conditions. Here scroll down and make sure to go through all of this information given to you if you wish to. If not, keep on scrolling and then tap on take part. Now you have to fill in your details. For that, tap in fill in details. Now once you have your details filled in, tap on edit option. Then you have to add more information, then tap on save. Now you have to complete the verification. Now once you have successfully completed the verification, it says information saved successfully, so tap on OK. So once you're done with the verification, you can share a link to your friend so that he or she can continue with his process. So that was all, and I hope you like this video and this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.